Top 5 Advanced CNC Machines. 1. Mazik Integrex i4OOS. This machine combines turning and milling capabilities in a single unit, allowing for complex and precise machining operations. It offers high-speed performance and advanced programming features. 2. DMG Morian HX4000. This horizontal machining center is known for its high accuracy and productivity. It features a powerful spindle and advanced tool changer system, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. 3. Haas VF950. This vertical machining center is designed for heavy-duty machining. It has a large working envelope and powerful spindle, allowing for efficient milling, drilling, and tapping operations. 4. Ocumer Multis Beta 502. This multitasking machine offers turning, milling, and drilling capabilities in a single setup. It is equipped with advanced features such as a high-speed spindle, tool magazine, and live tooling, making it ideal for complex and precise machining tasks. 5. Makinoa 92. This 5-axis horizontal machining center provides advanced capabilities. For simultaneous 5-axis machining, it offers high accuracy, stability, and flexibility, making it suitable for complex parts and demanding applications. Thank you for watching.